Welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to change the crosshair size in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. In Autocad, customizing your crosshair size can make a huge difference when working on detailed drawings. A properly adjusted crosshair can improve precision, navigation, and even reduce eye strain during long projects. To begin, open Autocad and head to the command line at the bottom of your screen. Type OP and press Enter. This will open the Options window where you can customize different Autocad settings. Once the Options menu appears, go to the Selection tab. Here, you'll notice a slider called Pick Box Size. The pick box is the small square in the middle of your cursor that helps you select objects. If your drawings are crowded with lots of details, increasing the pick box size can make selecting objects much easier. On the other hand, if you prefer more precision, you can make it smaller. Simply drag the slider until you find the size that feels comfortable for your workflow. Next, move over to the Display tab. This is where you can adjust the actual crosshair size. You'll see another slider labeled Crosshair Size. Dragging the slider to the right makes the crosshair lines longer, while dragging it to the left makes them shorter. Larger crosshairs can help you align objects more accurately across the workspace, especially on large monitors or detailed projects. Smaller crosshairs may feel cleaner and less distracting, depending on your preference. Take a few moments to test different sizes and see what works best for you. Everyone has a different workflow, so the ideal setting really depends on your comfort and drawing style. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Apply and then OK to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully customized your crosshair and pickbox size in Autocad. These small adjustments can make your drafting experience smoother, faster, and more comfortable. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.